Bro, let's be real for a second. Sometimes all you need to do is have game. All you need to do is be able to have and carry on an interesting conversation with the girl. You can forget having money, being shredded, being tall, being good looking. Forget all of that. Yes, all of that could help you and makes it easier, but a dude with game, a dude that can have an interesting conversation and make her laugh, yo, that dude will take your girl from right under you even if you're buff. But you probably can't even carry a conversation. Matter of fact, you can't even talk to a girl without you stumbling, stuttering, or just ruining the whole situation and making it awkward. So today, I'm gonna make sure that does not happen. Today, I'm gonna give you every trick you need to know to be able to carry a conversation with the girl and make it interesting. Let's hop into it. Number one, you just lack energy. Look, you can have the most interesting story in the world, but if it has no energy, it's gonna be boring. And by contrast, you can have the most boring thing to talk about. It could be, I don't know, bro, look how gloomy, have you seen how gloomy it is out in New York right now? And it's hot as heck. Yo, and the city has the audacity to tell me to lower my energy consumption when it's sweating out there. Yo, did you get the same message? You see, I just really rambled on about God knows what. The point was that I put in all my energy. You were probably engaged in trying to figure out where I was going with this. See, it doesn't matter what you're talking about. You just want to throw in energy into every conversation you're having. Number two, you're not asking the right questions. See, the easiest thing you can do when you're in a conversation is asking follow-up questions when they're talking. See, two things happen when you do this. One, they're gonna love it because people love talking about themselves, their ideas, their goals, etc. And then two, it's gonna create a deeper bond between you and that other person. See, the more follow-up questions you ask them, the deeper they go into what they're feeling, what they're thinking, their ambitions, whatever it is, the more connected they feel to you. So whenever you can, always drop a tell me more about that in every conversation. Number three, the mistake of lack of eye contact. See, when you're talking to somebody and you're not looking at them in the eyes, it tells them two things. Either you're nervous or you got something you're hiding. Either or will completely crush a conversation, kill the vibe, and make it extremely awkward. See, eye contact is crucial for human communication. It makes you feel more connected with the other person. It even incentivizes you to even want to engage further in conversation. If you still find it difficult to be able to hold eye contact in a conversation, use a physical barrier like glasses. This is why I love this, because it tricks the brain and it almost hides you behind this like fake wall. Now you can have that eye contact and feel more secure, more protected, a little bit more confident, and not to mention you're gonna look better. Glasses make you look better, and it's summer, so if you've ever needed an excuse to buy a pair of frames just to wear them to look good all the time, it's now. And it's now. Given that our store Jade Black, our new line of 4 designs is dropping in 2 weeks. Yes, we were supposed to drop this 2 weeks ago, but we have been scrambling, trying to get the inventory in our warehouse so we can ship it out to you. When I tell you these 4 designs will make you sexier summer, I'm not lying. These 4 designs will make you look sexier this summer. Boys, this July 24th, 10 a.m. Eastern, our new line of Jade Black is dropping. 4 new designs that I'm telling you, they are going to fly. I can almost guarantee it. Yo, go to our site right now. Go check our glasses. I think like 70, 80% of them are sold out. You wanna know why? Because guys are starting to get it. Glasses are important. Glasses make you look good, and ours, they're as good as designer brands. We use the handmade Italian acetate. We use the polarized lenses, the stainless steel construction. So now you got frames that look good, that have a high quality build for $49. What other brand? These frames easily could go for $200 to $300. For $200, you can buy yourself all 4, the whole new collection, and have an entire collection of frames to keep you prepared all summer, so you can feel confident in conversation, so you can look good all summer. And most importantly, boys, we got a giveaway. See, for the first time ever, we've never done this. This is the first time we're doing this giveaway. 2 lucky winners that shop this July 24th, we're gonna fly them out to New York. You're gonna have a hotel, all expenses paid. On top of that, you're gonna spend 1 day with us here at the office. You're gonna see the operation, how everything goes, and more importantly, we can have a one-on-one. If you want styling questions, I got you. If you got business questions, I got you. It'll be a one-on-one personal consultation. You're gonna get flown out, and again, only 2 lucky winners. Boys, this July 24th, you're not gonna wanna miss it. The glasses are gonna fly, and the giveaway, well, I don't know if we'll ever do this again. If you guys want to check out what we got right now, you can click the link down below. But if you guys are waiting for that collection, put that reminder on your phone, because I promise you, if you're not one of the first ones there, it's going. Number 4, you're just not listening. See, you're so nervous out of your mind when you're talking to this girl that in your head, instead of listening to her, you're scrambling in your mind. What are you going to say next to avoid it getting awkward, to avoid having that awkward silence? Yet, it is that same reason that you end up ruining the conversation. See, you weren't paying attention, so now you're going to say something dumb or something stupid, something out of pocket, just to make sure you keep that conversation alive, and now it's probably something awkward, something she did not want to hear, which is exactly why I recommend active listening. Yo, clear your mind. When you're having a conversation with somebody, listen, like actively listen. What are they saying? What is their tonality like? What is their delivery? What is their emotions behind what they're saying? I promise you, when you pay attention to all of that, you're going to get something authentic to say next. And finally, number 5, avoid filler words. These are your you see, and like, well, and so. See, all these are filler words that are completely unnecessary when you're trying to drive an idea. When you're talking to somebody, instead of trying to think in your head and then fill the words with these filler words, what you should be doing is taking pauses. Literally, even if they're dramatic. See, it'll show that you're in control. It'll show that you feel confident. And more importantly, that composure, that extra time, it's going to allow you to think about what to say next. Now you throw away the filler words, and you just sound like a stud. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. And also, don't forget, boys, July 24th, 10 a.m. Eastern, our new collection for J Black is dropping. I don't want you to miss it. That's it for me today. See you next time.